Hello everyone. Today let's make this poster. First insert a rectangle. Change its color. Then duplicate it. Again, duplicate it. Right-click and choose Skew, and extend the one corner of the shape. Then duplicate it for another side, and rotate it horizontally. Then increase the width of the lower shape. Now to change the color of the shape, double-click on the layer. This dialog box will open. From here, take Gradient Overlay and adjust the colors. I will change the angle accordingly. Then hit OK. Fill the same color in opposite side shape. Now add your image. Then take Quick Selection tool. To perfectly crop the image, I will take Select and Mask, and then select the subject. Then press Ctrl+J, and delete the previous image. We have new layer now. So align it. I want to edit it. So press Ctrl+T. Right-click and go to Distort, and press this image. Now rotate it, and adjust your image. It should look like it is placing on support of the walls. Now it's like to add shadow. For that, add a new layer below the burger layer. Take Brush tool, and do the following changes. Flatten the brush, and rotate it according to the image. You can see it like I am doing. Need to rotate little bit. Now perfect. Now for other side, again rotate the brush. I need shadow from behind as well. So for that, make the brush round and increase the size of the brush. And this is done. I will group the burger and the shadow layer. Now duplicate the layer with Ctrl+J. Press Ctrl+T, then right-click and flip it horizontally and take it behind. Adjust it accordingly. Now you can see that by moving the burger it is misplacing with the shadow, so I will link both these layers. Now, I want to look them crispy, so for that let's do some editing. Take brush tool, do the following changes and click on burger. Do the same with second subject. Now I need to add shadow to this burger as well. So for that I will again add a layer to it. And add shadow. Then add text. Now add additional things to decorate your slide. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel if you like this video. Thank you.